Now look at this, y'all. Oh, wait! Take these off. Oh, this shit flying everywhere. Yes, let me show you how to make my battered chicken wings and chicken feet. Boy, the way y'all came in my comments for this recipe. Let's make it. Because y'all know Tiny always got y'all. I got my chicken wings and chicken feet in here. Remember, take these claws off this West Side 4 fingers. Okay, cut it out. I'm using Mimi's scissors. If y'all ain't purchased her knives yet, you better go. Because I love these. I love them. So we're just gonna, snip all this off. Because we don't want to eat that part. Now I'm gonna add some sugar. MSG. And a little bit of salt. Need some black pepper. Add some in there. Okay. Now, y'all know I use this shit faithfully, bitch. More faithful than your motherfucking relationship, bitch. Okay. Add one of that in there. Garlic powder. Add some of that in there. Sazon. I just add 1 pack because I'm only making a little bit because I fried most of them yesterday. So I'm just gonna add 1. I'm gonna add some egg-shaped food coloring. Don't worry, it ain't gonna kill you. I'm just adding just a little bit for color. And it has a little flavor in it too, by the way. Then we're gonna crack an egg. Yes. Now we're gonna add our batter. And this is the one I always use. This is the best, Mr. Hong. You are the motherfucking truth, baby. Okay. So I just add little by little. And then if I need more, I add more. But you want this on the watery, thicky side. So I'm gonna mix that all up together. What'd you say? What'd you say?
What are you cooking?
I'm making chicken again.
Oh.
Hey, Iverson asked me what I'm cooking, y'all. While they're over there shooting BB guns outside. Well, got it. But, what is it? You don't want to add too much water. I already washed my chicken wings and stuff. So that excess water that was, in there, I just played with it first. And then if I need more, I'll just add more along the way. You see that? Period, bitch. Period. I just add a little bit more. Like I said, I add a little bit along the way so I get the consistency that I want. And thank you guys. I'm almost at 700,000 followers. Thank you guys. I love y'all. That's why I'm here to show y'all cooking moms how to cook for the man and them kids, baby. Okay, period. So this is how it's looking like, y'all. Make sure you coat it all around. You see how it's a little bit sticky? That's what you want. Thicky, bitch. Thick like that ass. Like I said, I add a little bit by a little bit. And after this, it should be good. If you ever go to Laos, Thai, and Cambodia New Year's and you see the chicken wings colored like this, that is what they use. Now it's ready to fry. I'm going to use the oil that I used last night. Stop it, babe! Annoying as hell. Now we're gonna fry these up. That motherfucker pretty, ain't it? Put this in that hot ass grease. This good old deep fried chicken feet. Y'all is missing out. Cause my man and my kids love it. Ooh wee. Nah, motherfucking bitch. Look at this shit, bruh. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. For shizzle, my nizzle. Now when you see it turns golden brown like this, it is done. And that is the only way my man will eat it, if it's deep fried. Got you, baby. And today I don't look homeless. You know why I love y'all so much? It's because every time I get on this app, I don't care if y'all see me look fucking homeless 195% of the time. Y'all just want me to cook, baby. Now that's love. Ooh, that's a fatty right there, boy. Oh my God. Yes. I remember the first time I made this for Gotti and he fucking I was mind blown. He was like, babe, that shit good as fuck. Can you teach me how to make it? And every time he craves for my food, all he do is just go to my YouTube and watch me. I'm literally so proud of him, y'all. You can't always depend on me, so when you're hungry, got my TikTok and my YouTube. Fire. Yes. And that's how you make my beautiful battered chicken wings, baby. Yeah, look at this shit, bitch. First bite for you, babies. Ooh. Another one because my child, Iverson, then stole my motherfucking chicken feet outside. So crunchy. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, bitch, bitch. You want some more? Oh my God. Get your own, because you're not selling this one. Get your own. He over there shooting BB guns outside. It's hot. Dang. Monkey loves deep fried chicken feet too, y'all. He literally told me to make some more. So y'all got lucky. It's good? Dang. Slow down. Still hot. Better go make you some, bitch. Because I don't want to hear y'all say, I'm sorry, you never showed us the recipe. Baby, I posted it up so many times. Okay? But this is for my new followers. Bye. Love you guys. Dang, babe, ain't going nowhere. Okay, monkey. Ooh, that thing's steaming hot. This boy's still eating.